Hello and welcome to the Graphics Way channel. Our tutorial for today is how to create a beautiful logo using Polygon and Shape Builder tool only. Before begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Let's start. Select Polygon tool. Make a polygon. Make a copy by pressing Alt key, click and drag. Make 6 of the polygons. Select all and group them. Copy them and paste in front. You can do that easily by pressing Ctrl and C, then Ctrl and F. Now select Direct Selection tool. Click and drag to change the polygons to circles. Now select the Pen tool. Close the spaces. Now select the Shape Builder tool. Press Alt, click and drag to remove the corners and keep only the curves as you see. Now follow these steps carefully. We should make 6 shapes inside this shape. The shape number 1. The shape number 2. The shape number 3. The shape number 4. The shape number 5. The shape number 6. Now select all and ungroup. Rotate it to 90 degrees. Now let's add the colors. Now the logo look very nice. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.